panels to compose the awards line. Thank you.
Good morning. I want everything to be in order and its proper place. This activity, the graduation, should be in uniform and with your sublime. That's all. So please, if you are doing something against the rules of the law, paki, because this will continue as in the authority prescribed. Okay? I have already taken your pictures and I have already documented everything. Let us not make the rule of the law run over this activity because this is the activity of the Department of Education. So, just take off your toga because it is not prescribed as your uniform for graduation. Okay? School uniform with your ribbons and your sublime. That's all.